Welcome to my video about a guy that is known as KITE Man, but also known as Charles Brown, also known as Chuck. Well, as you might suggest, he arms himself with a guide. For good or for evil? We're about to find out what made him evil. But before we do, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe all down below. And let me know what you think of the video. So, without any further ado, let's start the video.
Kite Man. Did I just hear the wind say Kite Man? Oh, hell yeah!
Kite Man firstly appeared in Batman issue 133. He was a character created by writer Bill Finger and artist Dick Sprang. As I told you before, Kite Man uses his kite as a weapon. He uses it as a transportation device and even a device to help overwhelm enemies with fear. In the first comics Kite Man appeared in, he even helped Batman to stop numerous supervillains from doing evil things. Batman trusted Kite Man, and he felt like he was a brother to himself. We can see this happening in Batman issue number 69. Nice. Now that we know that Kite Man is a good old boy like that dog from your neighbor, we can continue on to his dark side. He is one of the many criminals that takes advantage of the super-villainy friendly land, Zambia. Kite Man even joins Zandia's football team / sports team. And he even defends Zandia when a group of superheroes attack. In the comic series Infinite Crisis, he even joins the Super Society of Supervillains. This unfortunately comes back to bite him when we overhear Joker telling Batman that Kite Man was thrown off the wind tower without a kite, I might add, by Deathstroke. Kite Man, however, overcomes this fall and lives to see another day. After the Infinite Crisis, we can see that he is now a low-rank supervillain. He gets captured alongside with other supervillains that are also on a low rank. He's brought towards Bruno Mannheim. He then refuses to join and then unfortunately end up on the dinner plate of Bruno Mannheim. So, that's the story of the Infinite Crisis saga. But what really inspired me to make this video is because of the Harley Quinn animated series that is now airing on Adult Swim in co-creation with DC. Now, here he is a low-rank supervillain known for his catchphrase, Kite Man. Hell yeah!
Kite Man. Did I just hear the wind say Kite Man? Oh, hell yeah!
In this series, he's tried to pick up women with various bad one-up and pick-up lines about other supervillains. And then, accidentally, when he comes across Poison Ivy on the bar mitzvah of the Penguin's nephew, Kite Man makes Poison Ivy laugh, which made her fall in love with him. And until the point of the recording this, they are still dating as of in the series. So, there you have it. A quick rundown of a guy that's obsessed with kites and made a superhero out of himself before becoming the evil man. Now, before we end, I was going to say thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe all down below. Hello and welcome to the end of the video. If you like the content that I create, please don't forget to subscribe right here. And if you want to see another video, then please do it over there and over there. I'll be waiting here for you to click on. So hurry up, subscribe and click. Thank you guys.